Is your mail app suddenly missing or disappearing from your iPhone? Don't worry. In this video, I will guide you through simple, straightforward solutions to fix and get it back on your iPhone. So, let's get started. Check home screen and app library. If the Apple Mail icon is missing on the iPhone, don't panic. There are two easy ways to find it. Let's look at them. Use Spotlight Search. To do so, swipe down on the iPhone home screen to open the Spotlight search. Type and search for the Mail app. Check if it's available on your device. Find in the app library. Reach the app library and search for Mail app. To get the email icon back on the iPhone home screen, drag it to the iPhone home screen. That's it. If the Mail app is unavailable on your iPhone, you might have accidentally deleted it. But don't worry, it can be easily restored. To get the Mail app back on your iPhone, follow the next solution. Reinstall the Mail app. Launch the App Store on your iPhone. Go to the search field and search for the Mail app. Then, tap on the cloud or download icon. Wait for the download process to complete. The Mail app will be reinstalled on your device. If you don't find a Mail app in your iPhone settings, follow the next solutions. Check content and privacy restrictions. Launch the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll to Screen Time and tap to open it. Then, scroll to the Restrictions section and tap Content and Privacy Restrictions. Tap on the Allowed Apps and Features section. Turn on the toggle next to the Mail app. As you can see, the Mail app is available in the Settings app and on the iPhone home screen. That's it. If the problem persists, reset the home screen layout. Doing this restores the default layout on your iPhone home screen. Launch the Settings app on your iPhone. Tap on General. Scroll to Transfer or Reset iPhone and tap to open it. Then, tap on the Reset option. Afterward, tap on Reset Home Screen Layout and confirm. Check if the Mail app is back or not. Force Restart iPhone. Force Restart gives your iPhone a fresh start, which helps you resolve the Mail app missing problem. So, let's follow the steps. Press and release the volume up button, and press and release the volume down button. Press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo on your iPhone. Please ignore the slide the power off option and continue to hold the side button. Once you see the Apple logo, release the side button and wait for the restart process to complete. That's it. Account missing or not showing in the Mail app? If you're transferring to a new iPhone and your email account is missing, you'll need to add your Mail account manually. To do this, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll to the bottom of the screen and tap on the Apps section. Again, swipe up and tap on Mail app. Then, select Mail accounts. Next, tap on Add account. Choose your account type and enter your email account details to proceed. That's it. After adding your Mail account, turn on Toggle next to Mail and hit the Save button. I hope you found this video helpful. Please write which solution is useful to you in the comment box below. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for the latest tips and tricks videos.